It seems today that all...
Good morning,
Bowser?
So, are you ready, kids?
Squidward. In honor of Squidward, I present to you a Squidward. Ta-da!
I'll buy Gumball. Hi there.
They were made in a factory. A factory. They're factories.
Oh, that's too bad. I thought they were bad.
Wait! We were just kidding about all that buck stuff. That'll be 25 bombs, please.
So what flavor is it?
Baba Booey.
Okay, here it is, nothing.
Hey,
Mr. Krabs, are you okay? I heard a pie! Wow! It's from
Garfield.
to Bob. Sponge. Well,
And that's what happened?
$1, 25 bombs?
In the Krabby Crust!
When that pie goes up to pie, boom!
You've seen this before?
Don't tell him. That'll only make him feel Squidward. The way I see it, he's only gotten till...
All we have to do is dishwash the Tinkle Kitten until the bandage is impossible, and we're flopping Crone Scone.
part two! Part two, part two, part two, part two, part two, part two,
Please don't do that.
part two, part two, part two.
Well.
Actually, I keep a list of... Well, I call it my chip. Hey, kids, check it out! Hey, Squid! Knock, knock!
Who's there?
$19.
The last thing on the list is...
Does it involve more?
SpongeBob Patrick.
Squidward! We already played Babble Like It. I already filled up this book with ideas. We should be able to finish by 2090!
Forget the book! Ew! We're supposed to explode!
Okay, I'll try.